X squared minus 35x plus 150 will factor into x minus 30 times x minus 5, which gives us 30 and 5 for x. Now we can find our values, those function values for the revenue and the cost, by plugging these values, 30 and 5, into either one of these functions, either the cost function or the revenue function. Plugging it into the cost function, we'll find that when x is 30, y is 12,000. So we have a dot here on the graph at when x is 5, or rather when x is 30, and y is 12,000. Then when we plug 5 in for x, we wind up with 7,000 for y. So we have a dot here where x is 5 and y is 7,000. That is then the 2 points where these two functions, the revenue function and the cost function, where they cross. Now, since they're equal there, the cost function and the revenue function, that means that our revenue and cost are the same. The amount of money we take in and the amount of money that we put out for those values of x, in other words, that number of units produced and sold, since our revenue and cost are equal, those are called break-even points, where we're not making money but we're not losing money. So our profit is 0 there. Anything in between that, when x is between 5 and 30, the revenue is actually greater than the cost. So we have then profit at that point, positive profit when revenue exceeds cost. We could find our profit function by subtracting the cost function from the revenue function. That just makes sense. Profit occurs when you subtract your cost from your revenue.